Here are 3 things I feel like married expecting parents should not have to do when they book their maternity photo shoot. Number 1, I feel like you should never, ever have to come up with your own idea. You have never done this before. And going to a photographer who's going to make you come up with your own idea may not be ideal for your current situation. You're becoming a mom, or you already are a mom. You're a wife. You're working in your entrepreneurship business or corporately. And trying to put all the little details and things together for your maternity photo shoot to come up with an idea may not be as easy as it is for you because you just don't have the time. So I personally feel like when you do your maternity photo shoot, you should never, ever have to come up with your own idea. Now, I also feel like the second thing you should never have to do when it comes to your maternity photo shoot is handle all the logistics and planning. Once again, you are a busy mom. So figuring out what time to shoot, where to shoot at, where to get this from, who's gonna do your hair, who's gonna do your makeup, what type of look do you wanna go for? All those little logistics and planning details should be left to your photographer. You should only have one job: sitting back, relaxing, and enjoying your maternity photo shoot experience. Focusing on that because that's what matters the most. You already have so much on your plate as you are becoming a mom or are a mom already. So it's important that you don't add more to it. And the last thing I feel like married expecting parents should never have to do for their maternity photo shoot is pamper themselves. Like, last but not least, you shouldn't have to be the one who goes and find the makeup artist, goes and find the hairstylist, sits in their chair, get the "hey boo, can you come at" text, right? Your photographer should already have those people available for you. So all you have to do is show up. Like, your job should just be to show up and just be able to relax, to enjoy this moment. When is the last time you had a self-care day? Right? When was the last time you had a self-care day or felt pretty and pregnant? And your maternity photo shoot should be an experience that you use for you and your husband to bond together and also feel pretty and pregnant. So, since coming up with a vision for maternity photo shoots is probably the hardest thing for married expecting parents, and a lot of photographers don't help you come up with a vision, I want to give you what I call the Maternity Idea Vault. It is a Pinterest board I've created with over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas in it that you can use to come up with inspiration for your own.